Installing OpenFaceR is easy. First, check if you have DevTools installed. DevTools is a useful multi-purpose packages that allows you to create and to install packages. In this case, we will need the function install GitHub to install OpenFaceR. So if you have DevTools installed, you don't have to do anything. Otherwise, you will need to run the simple line of code install packages DevTools to install the required package. Once you are set with DevTools, please run this second line of code, DevTools install GitHub. You will need to write the name of the author, Davide Cannata NUAG, and the name of the directory, OpenFaceR. The installation will take a couple of minutes. At times, there are some warnings when you install OpenFaceR. Sometimes you might have some warnings related to R tools. In that case, you can just ignore your warnings. Also, there are some dependencies of OpenFaceR, such as the tidyverse package. You might be prompted to install or to update those dependencies. If you are, please accept and install all the dependencies of OpenFaceR. Once you've installed OpenFaceR, you can load OpenFaceR using the command library OpenFaceR.